إن الحمد لله إن الحمد لله نحمده ونستعينه ونستغفره. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ولا تقف ما ليس لك به علم. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. Dear students, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned in the Holy Quran, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, وَلَا تَقْفُ مَا لَيْسَ لَكَ بِهِ عِلْمٍ, which means do not talk on a subject which you have no knowledge. So we try to shed some light on this Qibla, northeast Qibla direction issue, which is obviously wrong. Actual Qibla should be southeast, and it should not be based on shortest distance ideology. That ideology is Kufr, and is blasphemous ideology. And we talked about the latitude before, and today we are going to talk, inshallah ta'ala, longitude, because many of you asked me this question, that Ustadji, how 118 degree west and 40 degree east coming to 158 degree east. So this is as same as the latitude. If you could remember, let's go to the Google Earth. And latitude are the lines of, the parallels. The lines of parallels means this equator 0 degree, and any 9 parallel to it, these are called the latitudes. And the longitudes are the lines, those are go north to the south. And of course, currently internationally it is recognized that this yellow line over here is called the prime meridian. On the other side of the prime meridian, it has a different name though, and it is not straight. It is called international date line. It is not prime meridian. But if you bisect it, if you divide this arc along in this line, you could have come two equal hemisphere. One side, this side would be called Eastern Hemisphere, the other side would be called Western Hemisphere. However, this line can be drawn in any place, including Kaaba in Mecca. Each line can divide Earth equally to halves, Eastern Hemisphere and Western Hemisphere. So we talked about the latitude mathematics. Today we'll talk about the longitude mathematics. Longitude are the, let's take the red pen here. So basically this is north, south, east, and west. And these are the lines, these are the lines of longitude. These are longitude lines. And this is considered prime meridian, I just put P here. Okay. So it is, for example, this is 10 degrees, then this is 20 degrees, and so on. So any country, Mecca is here, for example, Mecca is 21 degree north. Actually, my mistake. Let me take Mecca's longitude is, according to the modern science, and Mecca's longitude is 40 degree east. That is what I meant to say. So Mecca's longitude is 40 degree east. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40. For example, here we take 40 degree east. Make another line here. Cancel it. So let's make it here. Make another line here. So for example, this is 40 degree east. This is 40 degree east. This is Mecca's longitude. So, and any place's longitude from to Mecca, for example, 20 degree longitude. If I say it like 60 degree longitude, this is 60 degree longitude. So you just subtract it, as I told, it would be the same as how you subtract latitude. So it will be 60 degrees minus 40 degrees. So that gives you, these are both are on east. This is east, this is also east. So basically, this will be 20 degree. Now, whether it will be east or west, of course, when you're going to higher number to lower number, which means you're going from 60 to 40, you are going towards west. So it will be 20 degree west. But any country over here, this is the Mecca is 40 degree, and this one is, for example, 20 degree. So it will be again 40 degree. You can always put the, the bigger number at the top, minus 20 degrees. So that gives you 20 degrees. This is because of you going lower number to higher number, 20 towards 40, which is east. So this time it will be 20 degree east. That is 20 degree west because you are going 60 to 40, and this is 20 degree east because you are going to 20 to 40. I hope it makes sense, makes clear. How about if you cross the line? Remember I told you guys that you should not cross the line. The rule is subtraction. The rule is, again, subtraction, except when you cross the line. And when you cross the line, which means you cross this line, this is the prime meridian, then this side of the prime meridian also start 1 degree, 2 degree, and for example, it is 20 degree here, okay? 20 degree west. So if you come to 20 degree to 40 degree, so what do? This time you do not subtract. This time you add. I told you, when you cross the line, rule changes. So in this case, you come 20 degree, 10 degree, 0 degree, because this prime meridian is 0 degrees. So basically you have here 20 degrees, and you come 10, 20, 30, 40 degrees. This time you are not subtracting, you are adding. So it will be, when you do this, it will be 60 degrees east or west. This is 20 degree west. This is 40 degree east. Since you are coming from west to east, it will be 60 degree east. That's simple. So I hope this clears the confusion how to calculate the longitude. I told you how to calculate the latitude. Anytime you cross a line, it's no longer a subtraction. It's actually an addition. On top of that, the prime meridian is in England. This one is in England now. But we can actually make the prime meridian, above Kaaba, 40 degrees. We can make this one as the, prime meridian. You can make prime meridian in any place. Internationally, it is recognized, but it is not wahi. It is man-made. But these lines, they require to calculate direction, subtract or addition the longitudes. And one thing, however, is not man-made. It is divine, means it is done by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala thyself. This line of equator, this is 0 degree, because sun rises in the east. If this foolishness, some majority of the modern Muslim today, they said, okay, move the earth like this. You can't, because Allah Ta'ala fixed it to its north-south axis, and it is spinning from west to east, causing the sun rising from the east all the time. You can change it, and it is in the Quran. And I hope that clears all the confusions. Inshallah, we'll talk a couple of other latitude, longitude here, inshallah. And this video ends here. Jazakallah khairan. Assalamu alaikum.